Kia ora guys, and welcome to another flip video session. Today we are looking at synonyms. Let's get into it. How much thought do you put into your word choices? Hopefully a lot. They matter. Okay, so what are synonyms? Synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. For example, the house looks terrible, awful, dreadful, dire, appalling, horrendous, atrocious. All those words are synonyms. They have similar meanings to each other. The best place to find a synonym is in a thesaurus. Question for you. What do you call a dinosaur with an extensive vocabulary? A thesaurus. Okay, example time. I've written a sentence. I'm quite happy with it. However, I've got some feedback that the words I've used in it could be more fancy. So the sentence is, the haunted house was scary. So, what do I need to do? I need to use a thesaurus. And luckily, you can use an online thesaurus. So what do? I go there. It's www.kidthesaurus.com. And I go there, wait for it to load. Boom. This is what it looks like. In the search bar here, I type in my word. There we go. And then I press enter. Or I click search. It takes a minute to do its thing, and then it should give me a list of words that have a similar meaning to scary. Oh, they've even got pictures with them. Synonyms for scary. Scary is an adjective. It describes something. So I could use chilling, creepy, eerie, frightening, horrifying, shocking, spooky, or terrifying. So, my sentence could look like this, depending on the synonym I replace scary with. The haunted house was frightening. The haunted house was horrifying. The haunted house was creepy. The haunted house was terrifying. After having a chat with my mate about what word would go best, I've decided I'm going to go with the haunted house was terrifying. Alright guys, make sure you visit www.kidthesaurus.com and use it to swap out boring words for more thoughtful words. Cheers guys.